Up to yesterday, we are learning fundamental of the SQL, or maybe at least a select statement, how you are writing is we are learning. But today onwards, we are learning main concepts of the where SQL. Actually, what are the main concepts in a where in every database SQL means first important concept joins. Next one is constraints. Constraint means primary key, foreign key, check unique like this. Again, another one is subqueries. Query within another query. So much powerful this one. This chapter is main important concept only in every interview side. Suppose you are a Java developer, you are attending interview, means retrieve entire salary, employee, delete duplicate row. So many queries are there, those things. That's why first today onwards, concentrate, very, very important. Joins. Joins. What is joins means nothing is there. Actually, up to now, you are observing or not, this is a table is there. We are fetching the data from by using a select statement, by using a what only one table data we are retrieving. Suppose here e name and salary is there. These two columns are available only single table. That's why we are fetching the data from up to now only one table. But so many project side, okay, so now here, yes, not a single table. In a real-time project side, always more than one table is there. Suppose here, this is a EMP table. This is a what? A DEPT table, for example. From these two tables, I want to retrieve the data. That's why more than one table, I want to fetch the data. Suppose in my project side, here E name is a column I want to display. And also D name is a column I want to display in my project report. But unfortunately, E name is a column from EMP table, D name is a column from DEPT table. That's why how we are fetching the data from these multiple tables data. If you want to fetch data from more than one table, either 3, either 4, either 5, either n number of tables, we have data we are retrieving means then we are using a word joins is a concept is there. That's why joining a table is nothing. That's why always joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables, more than one table only actually in a database. Okay. And now here, check it out. Observe here. If we want to suppose here, these are the so many tables are there in a project side. Number of tables are there. If you want to fetch data from more than one table, then we are using a joins is a concept in a database. But actually joins means nothing is there here. Generally up to now where condition you have an idea, this where condition is a some rules based only, special rules based only, some concepts they are giving only. Through that one we are writing about some conditions means then only servers are retrieve the data from multiple tables. That is important. That's why always joins are used to joins means some specialized where condition. Don't worry, there is a joining condition only. That condition we are writing means then database servers retrieve data from multiple tables. That's why joins are used to fetch or retrieve data from multiple tables. Write it. Some theory, write it. This one, write it. Joins are joins are used to retrieve data from joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. Joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables. Multiple means more than one table or not? Yes. Okay, concentrate here, concentrate here. Suppose in a project side, real-time project side, here 4 tables are there. Whenever four tables are there, you are writing a join, some condition, some select statement only. That is correct or not. How senior most database are okay, programmer, how they are testing means simple technique is there. Whenever these are the four tables are there, but how many joining conditions, how many where condition clauses, how many joining conditions we are writing means three. Suppose your five occasion of your five tables are there, then how many join conditions we are writing? Four. Suppose 100 tables we are joining means how many joining conditions we are writing? 99. Here, three tables we are joining means how many joining conditions we are writing? Two. Again, eight tables are there. How many joining conditions? On joining conditions, something is there. I will tell you today. And how many join conditions we are writing? Seven. That's why you are observing or not. Yes, what is the mathematics rule means? Your join is correct or not? How senior most programmers checking means if you are joining a n tables, then mathematics only compulsory. We must write a what? N minus one conditions. In a where clause is there? No, in that one n minus one conditions we are writing. Suppose here five tables we are joining means compulsory 5 minus 1 how much? Four joining conditions you are writing, then only your join is correct. Otherwise, wrong result. That is important. That's why if we are joining n tables in our relational database, then we must use n minus 1 joining conditions. Write it. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, in all relational databases, in all relational databases, when we are joining, when we are joining n tables, then we must use n minus 1 joining conditions. Then we must use n minus 1 joining conditions. Then we must use n minus 1 joining conditions. Okay, na? And now here. Actually, every database also joins are there, but Oracle side, which joins are there, I will tell you, write it. Oracle having, very important, Java side, .NET side, most powerful this one. Slowly I'm telling. Oracle having, write it, something write it. Oracle having, Oracle means Oracle server. Oracle having following types of joins. Following types of joins. Some names are there. Oracle having following types of joins. These are slowly observe it here. Don't write it only. First one, observe here. Don't write it. Observe it here. Actually, very important. Today we are starting only the join. Here, what is that join name is equi-join. So many fellows are. This is also called as inner join also. Okay. Now don't write it. Observe here. First join is today we are starting one of the join. Equi-join or inner join. Another join is what is that one means? What is join means where condition? Don't worry. Now here yes. Another join is a non-equi join in a database also. This will be there. But Oracle also supported non-equi join. Another join, third one, difficult one, a very big concept only. That is self join. Another join is outer join. These are the four joins are available in a Oracle side. Write it. Oracle having following types of joins. These are first one, equi-join, or note it down these things. Equi-join or inner join. Second one, non-equi-join. Third one, self-join. Fourth one, outer join. Fourth one, outer join. Okay, na? Suppose now concentrate. Very important. Very slowly, I'm telling because so many things are there here. One by one, you are a first time non-technical means understandable. So many things required. Now more knowledge is required. Observe here. Suppose okay, I am a Oracle programmer. I am telling in my class students only. Oh, these are the four joins are there. What is equi? What is non-equi? What is self join? What is outer join? I am telling means you are understandable. Don't worry. But unfortunately, suddenly in our class, so many Java developers are there, for example. Those Java developers are using in a where MySQL is another database is there. In that database also SQL language is there. In that SQL language you are observing or not, in that one you are observing or not, some other joins are there. What is that one? Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Yeah, so many joins are there. What is this one? Again, you are observing about SQL Server is a Microsoft product is there. In that one also, yes, your left outer join, right outer join, full outer join is there. Suppose you are observing about Teradata is a data warehousing programmer learning at this course only. This is a NCR Corporation database only. In that database, you are observing also left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So many joins are there. But unfortunately, where these left outer, right outer, full outer join in these joins are available in a Oracle? No. Oracle side only these four joins are available up to Oracle 9a version. That's why in a demo classes I am telling a versions 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8i, I'm 9i, 10g, 11g, 12c, like this only some versions I'm telling or not. Yes, here up to Oracle 8i version only, sorry, up to Oracle 9i version only these four joins are available in a Oracle. But Oracle 9i, 9i, 10g, 11g, in these type of databases, Oracle 9i, 10g version, and 11g, and 12c, and 18c, and 19c, in these all software side, same like a MySQL, same like a SQL Server, same like a DB2. Yes, here another joins also supported, left outer, right outer, full outer, that is also supported nowadays Oracle. That's why Oracle programmer, these four joins, basic joins also they are learning. And also in all databases, left outer, right outer, full outer, natural joins, something is there. Those joins also they are learning. Why? Because 9i version onwards, 2001 year onwards, that those joins also available. That's why Oracle is a joins means two parts. Yes, whatever these four joins are there, these joins are also called as 8i joins. 8i joins means in a 8i version onwards, okay, up to 8a version these joins only there, but 9a onwards along with these four joins, another joins also there, same like all relational databases, that is left outer, right outer, full outer, those joins are called 9a joins. Up to these four joins are also called as 8a joins is a terminology. 8a joins means don't think that 8a version only, up to Oracle 9i these four joins are only available. Oracle 9i onwards, extension of these joins also 9i joins means left outer, right outer, full outer also available. Write it. These joins are also called as, write it something. Terminology very important. These joins are also called as Oracle 8i joins. 8i. Version is there, no? These joins are also called as Oracle 8i joins. Along with these joins, along with these joins, along with these joins, along with these joins, Oracle 9i onwards, along with these joins, Oracle 9i onwards, along with these joins, Oracle 9i onwards, Oracle also supports along with these joins, Oracle 9i onwards, Oracle also supports ANSI standard joins, American National Standard, ANSI standard joins, ANSI standard joins, same like all relational databases. Same like all relational databases. Same like all relational databases. These joins are also called as 9i joins. These joins are also called as 9i joins or ANSI joins. These joins are also called as 9i joins or ANSI joins. Side heading 9i joins or ANSI joins. This is right. 9i joins or ANSI joins. Side heading. What I am telling, okay, actually first 4 joins are there, no, that is 8i joins only. Along with the joins, Oracle 9i onwards, Oracle also supports ANSI standard joins in a left out or right out is there, no, that one. Same like all relational databases. These joins are also called as 9i joins or ANSI joins. Side heading, same like this one, write it. 9i joins or ANSI joins. This one we are putting. 9i joins or ANSI joins. What are the joins are there? 9i joins means first one, observe here, inner join. Second one is left space, outer space join or left join, outer optional keyword. Next one, right space, outer space join. Again, next one, full outer join. These are keywords actually. Next one is natural join. That's why these many joins we are learning, but practically very easy only. Write it this one. 9i joins or ANSI joins. Inner join is there, but 9i joins are what? So these are all the joins are available in all databases, not only inner join. Second one, left outer join. Third one, right outer join. Space is there, left space, right space join. Left space, outer space join, right space, outer space join, full space, outer space join, natural space join. 9i joins or ANSI joins, these 5. Write it, these 5. Inner, left, right, full, natural join. Completed this one. And now concentrate practically, very important. First we are learning about these 8i joins, then only 9i joins means all databases, these joins only 9i joins onwards, okay? And now here, observe here, yes, that's why Oracle programmer 2 parts they are learning. First 8i joins they are learning, then only all database joins only 9i onwards. Oracle also support those joins also they are learning, okay, fine. Now concentrate here, okay? Today, I'm telling only up to now, I'm telling, oh, maybe joins is some concept is there in every database, specialized where condition. Through that one, we are retrieving a data from multiple tables. But unfortunately, what is my doubt means, without using a joins, I want to try to retrieve the data from multiple tables. What happened? First, I'm checking that one. Observe here. Actually, by using a joins, we are retrieving the data from multiple tables. I know, everyone knows. But what is my doubt? Before we are going to start a joins, some concept I'm asking only. Otherwise I'm trying a what practically what is that one means. Without using join condition, join condition means specialized very condition. You try to retrieve the data from multiple tables without using a join conditions. Then what happened in a databases? That is a question mark. Now check it out. If you want to understandable that one, first observe here, select, don't write it, observe here, predefined tables first I'm taking. Select star from EMP is a table, Oracle Enterprise Edition, Scott schema, this table is there. Again, another table practice purpose, they are giving only select a star from DEPT is a table. Don't write it, just observe it here, very, very important. This is a EMP table is there. Another one is DEPT table is there. Observe here. This is a EMP table. This is another table. DEPT table is there. From these two tables, I try to retrieve the data from these two tables of data. I'm trying to retrieve the data, but without using joins. What happened? Now check it out. Suppose select. I'm interested to select. I'm writing. Here e name comma salary. Oh, maybe e name comma salary is a column from which table? EMP table. Okay, fine. That is everyone knows. But not only that one, I try to display what a dname comma location. I try to display, but a dname comma location is available in a where which tables? Yes, here DEPT table. Okay, fine. Observe here, dname comma location is available in a where DEPT table. Okay. Again, ename comma salary is available in a where EMP table. Now I try to retrieve the data from these two tables by using a what here table name EMP comma another table DPT without using a joining condition. Join condition means where clause only. Don't worry. Now can we retrieve the data from these two tables without using a joins like this only? Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Anybody guess it? Anywhere in our class only maybe guess it. Can I retrieve the data from these two tables by using a what without using any joining condition? Possible or not possible? I am writing a select whatever columns I want to display that columns from number of tables, table 1 comma table 2 I am writing. Generally where condition means joining condition I am not using only. Now can we retrieve the data from these two tables by using a what? Yes, without using a joins. Possible or not possible? Yes, so many students are thinking, oh, maybe without using a joins, we are retrieving a data from these two tables means what is the use of the where joins only? They have a doubt only. That's why they are telling about yes, it won't work. Compulsory join condition we are using only. Now yeah, they are telling, but unfortunately, this query is working. Working. What is this one? I am not writing about joins. Okay, fine. In a join condition also, I am not writing. Where condition also, I am not writing. But I try to press enter key. Whenever I try to press enter key, yes, it is working only. Working. What is this one? Yes, working. But working also. How many rows are displayed? 56 rows are displayed. How it is displayed about 56 rows? Yes, reason is there. Now check it out. Suppose here, how means actually EMP table, how many rows are there? 14 rows. In a DEPT table, how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Here, mathematics I'm telling first only. First, just observe it here. 14 into where? 4, that is nothing but a what? Yes, your mathematics, anybody good means 56 or not? What is that one? Why I'm telling a mathematics means the reason is there. Can we retrieve the data from multiple tables without using any join condition in any database in the worldwide? Possible? Possible. Yes, why? Because internally Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 server uses default join. Internally uses what? Default join. This is a default join only. Now here, yes, a default join used by the where, yes, internally Oracle server. Suppose anybody C++, Java, .NET, these type of languages are there. Yes, in those languages, construct is a concept is there. In each and every time, not initializing a what private member data by using your own constructor. Yes, in every program also, default constructor is there or not? Yes, same like here also. Here also, that is server is compiler is provided, JVM is provided. Same like here also. in a databases, if you are not using a what in a joins also, database server internally uses what? A default join. What is the default join in a where in a Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 server means cross join. Up to now you don't have any cross join. Cross join means up to one stage. Just today one of the stage you are familiar. And now I'm not explaining first only. Here 14 is one table rows into another table rows. Then multiplication total number of rows it will be displayed. That's why cross join means so much of duplicate data. Observe here. Here yes here okay Dallas it will be displayed. Chicago it will be displayed. So much of duplicate data. Boston it will be displayed. I don't want to display like this. I want to display more accurate data means then we are using a what? Explicit joins. That's why yes here cross join also one of these days how it is working I will tell you. That's why now what I am telling in a where Oracle side we can also retrieve data from multiple tables without using joining condition. In this case, some select a number of columns from table name 1, comma, table name 2, comma, table name 3, comma, table name 4, something we are using means then Oracle server internally uses default join. In the Oracle default join is what? Cross join. But cross join, how it is working? Next, we are telling only today one of the stage joins working, how it will be, I will tell you. But first, I am not telling anything. This theory, write it before we are going to start equi join and all these things. Better to know this one also. Write it. In Oracle, first write it. In Oracle, we can also retrieve data from. In Oracle, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables. In Oracle, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables without using joining condition. In Oracle, we can also retrieve data from multiple tables without using joining condition. In this case, Oracle server internally uses default join. In this case, Oracle server internally uses default join. In Oracle, default join is cross 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 join. What is cross join means later, but first observe here, syntax, write it, syntax, select number of columns, whatever columns you want to display, those columns from table name 1, comma, table name 2, like this, in a number of tables also. Well, this is nobody using, but better to know, oh, maybe internally database servers uses default join. Now one example, write it after syntax finished. Yeah, this example, write it. Then we are starting our own joins only. That is important. But this is better to know. Yes, because one of these days cross join also I will tell you. Okay, that's why. Here, write it in our system. You are check it out. Select a star from EMP is a table. Again another table. Select a star from DPT is a table. Now again here select ename, select ename, comma salary, comma dname, comma location, from EMP, comma DPT. This is the way write it. Write it this example, then we are starting our concept. completed this one. Okay, now first today onwards, we are starting very important concept. Up to end of the class today, concentrate more concepts I'm telling only. Up to end of the class, it will take us so much of time. And now here more patience is required. And now write it side heading equijoin. Side heading equijoin. This onwards very important. Equijoin. Now what is equijoin means? Observe here. Concentrate here. Nothing is there. Actually, name itself maybe meaning is there. That's why Oracle Corporation giving like this. Equi means in a mathematics only, which operator? Very good. Is equal to operator. Actually, is equal to equality. Is equal to operator is there in a way today in a every database in our join. Otherwise, today Oracle side equijoin means in a where condition. Yes, is equal to operator we are using. Some equality condition they are giving only. Based on this equality operator, we are retrieving the data from multiple tables. That is called equijoin. What is this equality condition? What are the rules they are giving me? So I will tell you very easy. And now here write it. First definition write it. Based on equality condition, based on equality condition, based on equality condition. Suppose newcomers means within the bracket write it. Now here using equality operator. Okay, fine. Yes, within the bracket only. Yes, here write it by using equality operator. Bracket close. Okay, by using equality condition within the bracket write it by using equality operator write it. Okay, by using equality condition within the bracket by using equality operator. Close the bracket. By using equality condition, based on equality condition, we are retrieving data from. Based on equality condition, we are retrieving data from multiple tables. Based on equality condition, we are retrieving data from multiple tables. Based on equality condition, we are retrieving data from multiple tables. Here, based on equality condition, we are retrieving data from multiple tables. Here, joining conditional columns. Write it something. Here, joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type. Here, joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type. Here, joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type. Here, joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type. Here, joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type. Finish the theory. Now concentrate here. Yes, so screen observed very interesting practically. Suppose this is a T1 is a table is there. For example, now here concentrate here. This is a T1 is a table. Okay, fine. This is a T2 is a table is there. For example, in my project, these are the two tables are there. This is a T2 is a table. Now anybody gets it only. Suppose here A is a column is there here and also B is a column is there. For example, A and B columns are there in a T1 table. Again, I am writing a what here, X is a column is there in a where and Y is a column is there in a T2 is a table. Now tell me anybody gets it only. Now I want to retrieve the data from these two tables by using a equijoin. Possible or not possible? Fast. I want to retrieve the data from these two tables by using a equijoin. Possible or not possible? Very good. Impossible. Impossible. Why means observe here. So many fellows are telling possible, impossible this one. Why? Because Whenever we are retrieving a what a data from yes here multiple tables by using equijoin means one rule is there compulsory those tables at least having a common column, one common column is required, or at least one common column is required. Here a b is a columns are there, here x y is a columns are there, that's why it won't work. Suppose I'm changing like this only, now here in place of x I am writing a what here, now a I am writing here only, then possible? Yes, here possible. Then possible only. And now observe here. Yes, here A is a column, here A is a column. Same common column is there or not? Here also same column, here also same column. And also these columns, the data type is same. 1, 1, 2, 2. Like this only A, X, Y, Z, anything not possible. Here only data types are same. Number, character, date, like this only. That's why whenever tables having a what? A common columns, then only we are allowed to use a what? Equijoin possible or not? Yes, your equijoin possible or not? Yes. That's why whenever we are try to retrieve the data from multiple tables, whenever we are trying to retrieve the data from multiple tables by using a equijoin, compulsory those resource tables must have a what? A common column name. That is important. Actually, without common column, some other concept is there next only. That is later. Okay, fine. Once we are good at 8 joins means, then 9 joins means, I will tell you with common column also, some other concept we are retrieving. But first learner learning about common column based only we are learning. Write it. Next para write it, fast write it. When tables having common columns, when tables having common columns, when tables having common columns, then we are allowed to use, then we are allowed to use, then we are allowed to use equijoin. Then we are allowed to use equijoin. When tables having common columns, then we are allowed to use equijoin. Then we are allowed to use equijoin. 1 minute, observe here. What is the syntax Oracle Corporation giving me is now concentrate here. Select, they are giving only whatever columns I want to display those columns, otherwise star only. Now check it out. Select column name, column 2, any number of columns also. We are using only, don't write it, observe here from here table name 1, comma, table name 2, any number of tables. But today, two tables side we are telling only where easiness purpose, where table name 1 dot is operator is there, common column name. Actually common column primary key is this one in a feature, but up to now primary key foreign case you don't have an idea. Common column based we are telling common column name is equal to here table 2 dot common column name, here common column name, here common column name. And now here yes here table 1 dot common column name is equal to table 2 dot common column name is there or not. In a real time, this is whatever predefined this condition they are giving only, that is called joining condition or join condition. This is also called as what? Joining condition, joining condition or join condition. This is also called as joining condition or join condition. Now write it syntax. And also where clause underline it in that one, joining condition. Write it the syntax. Completed this one? Yes. Finished up? Here underline it, where condition underline it, where table 1 dot common column name is equal to table 2 dot common column name is there. No, this predefined condition Oracle Corporation giving only this equality based only. Then joining condition. This is a arrow mark we are putting joining condition, write it. Where table 1 dot common dot operator common column name is equal to table 2 dot common column name. Finished up? Fast. Yes, here. Now observe here. Now concentrate practical. Practically very interesting, very important. Today first I am taking award predefined tables. Then only our own tables also I am telling only. Now concentrate here. Now check it out. Suppose here. Now concentrate. This is a table is there. Select observe here. Oracle provided predefined table. EMP table is there. Select star from EMP is a table. Okay, fine. Again, Oracle provided another table practice purpose. DEPT is a table. Okay, fine. Select star from DEPT. Now concentrate here. Yes, here. Now, can we retrieve the data from these two tables by using equi-join or not? First, we are checking. Suppose EMP table is there. Again, another table DEPT is there. Can we retrieve the data from these two tables by using equi-join? Yes. First, we are checking only these two tables having a common column or not, or check it out. Yes, the common columns are there. Yes, in a EMP table, department number is a column is there. That's why these tables are there. These tables demos in a first demo classes side we are telling first initial stage, first or second classes we are attending means then you are understandable. Department number is a column is there. Again here, yes, in a DEPT table also same column department number is there or not? Oh, maybe common column is there. Okay, fine, like this. And now here, not only common column, yet that common column data type is same. Here also 10, 20, 30 something numbers are there. Here also 10, 20, 30, 40 some numbers are there. That's why data type is same or not. That's why we retrieve the data from these two tables by using equi-join possible or not? Yes, possible. How can I? Just I am writing only select, observe here whatever syntax is there, same thing only. Select whatever columns I want to display, those all columns from them number of tables. That's why here I want to display e name, comma, salary, comma, department number, comma, d name, comma, location, comma. So many columns I am typing only. Select whatever columns I want to display. Those all columns. Anybody remembering the syntax? Tell me from yes, table 1, EMP, comma, another table which one? DEPT, where, where. Yes, what is the joining condition they are giving? Table name, EMP dot operator. What is the common column is there? Department number is equal to DEPT dot which one? Department number. Very good. Yes, like this. How much easy? This is where condition, whatever we are writing only, that is called joining condition or not? Yes, here EMP table dot department number is equal to DEPT table dot department number. These two columns are common columns or not? Yes, here. Now anybody tell me, now I try to execute. Yeah, I try to press enter key, then automatically what the columns are displayed? Yes, e name and salary and department number and d name and location is a what different table columns are displayed or not? Yes, now tell me again. Yes, whenever I'm pressing a what enter key, whenever I'm writing a what this joining condition only, now which columns are displayed? E name and salary and d name, sorry, department number, and another one is what? D name and which one? Location. But unfortunately it won't work. It won't work. Very important. You are also, I am also familiar. Yes, this is very easy, this is working, we are thinking, but unfortunately it won't work. Very important, most powerful. Why it is not working? Same concept, same syntax I'm copying only, I am writing like this. I am also, you are also thinking this is working also. Some problem is there. What is the problem? Is in every database joins properly not writing means ambiguity error is occurred. Ambiguity. First, we are learning what is that ambiguity error. Then we are telling why that error is occurred, what are the solutions, all the things I am telling. In every database joins. So now observe it here. Whenever I am typing, pressing enter key, then automatically it will give us error. Yes, what is the error? Now check it out. Yes, error is there. Yes, a column ambiguously defined. Very important. What is this ambiguity? Why this error is occurred, how we are resolving this problem in any database joins also, all the things I will tell you. Very important. Write it first, this one. Most powerful. This error I want first. Example, write it. EMPD table side. Write it fast. Write it this example. And error, write it. Error is important. Column ambiguously defined. Up to end of the class today, concentrate. Very important. So many things are there. First observation. Error, write it. Column ambiguously defined. Completed this one? Fast. This error, write it. Column ambiguously defined. Select ename, salary, department number, dname, location from emp, dept, where emp dot department number is equal to dept dot department number. Error, write it. Column ambiguously defined. Error is most powerful. And now observe it here. Why this error is occurred? Why this error is occurred means in every database joins properly we are not writing means this error is occurred. Why this error is occurred? I will tell you now. Very, very important, very easy. How you are identifying you are a first time newcomer? Why they are join side, so many join side in every database side ambiguity error is occurred means how queries are executed you are guessing means maybe you are also telling what why this error is occurred and also what is the solution of that ambiguity error easily you are telling. That's why databases are very easy. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose how this query is executed. First I am telling only through that one, what is ambiguity error, why this error is occurred, all the things you are understandable. Now concentrate here. Actually, ambiguity means what is the meaning of the English meaning of the where ambiguity? Now tell me, anybody tell me, yes, here this error is occurred. What is the ambiguity? Very good. Ambiguity means confusing. Yes, which one is confusing? You are confusing, I am confusing, otherwise Oracle server confusing. Very good. Oracle server only confusing only based on this beautiful query only. Server only confusing here. And now here, why it is confusing, how it is confusing, how we are rectifying this problem is concentrate here. Suppose you are observing or not, I am writing a what query like this. Okay, fine. I am writing this query. How this query is executed, you are guessing means you are only telling a what very easy way why this error is occurred very easy. Yes, you are observing or not, if you are observing or not in my screen only, yes, I am writing a what, yes, this query, select in a one line I am writing, again from in another line I am writing, in a where I am another line I am writing. Why Murli sir writing a what in a where different lines only. This is select and from and where clause means yes in every relational database side, yes where clause one stays, from clause one stays, and select case keyword one stays only, it will be executed. That is important. Execution process also in a previous classes, order of execution of the where select statement roughly we are telling or not. Yes, your same thing you are guessing means how it will be executed. You don't have an idea up to now. Parser you don't have an idea also. Semantic and syntax checking so you don't have an idea also. Guess it. How can I means observe it here. Suppose here that's why single line also you are writing working, but I am writing your understandable purpose. Select in a one line, from is a one line, and where clause is a one line only, it will be I am writing only. Now check it out, guess it, and now observe here. Suppose I am writing this query. Whenever I am writing about this query, now I am submitting a this query, Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 server, checks a what, syntactically, semantically, this query is correct or not, checking. Okay, fine. Whenever syntactically, semantically, correctly, okay, so now here, yes, always, okay, this query is correct means, then control goes to where, which part is executed first? Anybody guess it? Yes, very good. Some fellows are guessing very good. Yes, from clause is executed first. Very good. From clause, which tables are there? EMP, DEPT tables are there. For example, yes, here, now here from clause EMP, DEPT tables are there. Server is checking what EMP table is available or not. Yes, it will be checking. And the DEPT is a table is available or not. In a server is checking in a database. Oh, maybe these two tables are available. This is a one place, this is another place. For example, this is a Oracle server, control is there, for example. And now here, then a control goes to where? Yes, first step is from clause. Second step is what? Very good. Where clause. Where clause always checking a what condition. Where clause always returns a boolean value either true or false only. Whenever condition is true, then only control goes to select statement. In a where clause, how it will be executed? EMP table department number. Yes, EMP table department number is there, and DPT table department number is there. Both the department numbers are always same data type. That's why this where condition returns true or false. Very good. Here it will be returns a true. Whenever where condition returns true, this is a second step only. Now third step is which one is executed? Very good. Select is executed. That is third step is select statement is executed. Select, after select which order we are giving a what columns only, same order is executed by the server. Suppose this is a what select. Okay, so now ename is a column. Yes, now Oracle server execute a what ename is a column is retrieved from the which table? Yes, in EMP DPT table it will be searching only. Ename is a column from which table is available? EMP table is there. That's why control goes to where? EMP table. Ename column it will be retrieved and store it into where? In a buffer internally. Very good. Now yet some fellows are guessing correct. Yes, here comma. Yes, another one. Salary is a column. Salary is a column is available in a where? EMP table or DPT table? Very good. EMP table only. That's why salary column directly retrieve the data from the where? Yes, salary column from EMP table and store it into where? In a buffer. Okay, fine. But again, next another column. What is the column? Department number. But Oracle server confusing here only. Department number is a column is there. Next column is department number. Department number column is available in a where? EMP or DPT? DPT or EMP? Very good. Both the tables both the tables only department number column is there. That's why Oracle server confusing only which table common column we have to display, confusing. That's why here only confusing, here only problem. That's why whenever we are trying to display common columns in a where select list in any database joins also, always Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 server returns a what? Ambiguity error. In this case only confusing which table common column it will be displayed, because EMP table also department number is available and DBT table also department number is available. That's why which column, which table department number common column it will be try to retrieve, then only Oracle server database servers are confusing only. That's why it will give us a what? Ambiguity error. That's why here department number is a problem. DNAME is any problem is there? No. Why? Because DNAME is a column from which table? DBT table. Location is a column from any problem? No. Location is a column from which table? Yes, here now here, yes, here okay, DBT table. That's why there is no problem. That's why whenever we are trying to display common columns within a select list, 100% ambiguity error is occurred. Yes, to overcome this problem, how we are resolving this problem is, simple technique is there. For example, now here anybody guess it only how you are resolving this problem is simple. Just where the problem is occurred, common column we are trying to display means ambiguity error is occurred. Just we are removing a what? Common column, then automatically yes, okay, join is working only. Simple. Suppose this is class is going on, anybody not understandable my class means how you are resolving the problem, simply you are sleeping means automatically problem is solved or not. Same like here also, common column is a problem is there. That's why just I am removing a what? That common column, then automatically this join is working only. But unfortunately, yes, observe here, yes, this join is working, but unfortunately I don't want like this. That is not a correct solution. I don't want like this. My client asking a what? I want to display common column also. They're asking in a project side. But how you are trying to resolve that problem only means yes, how you are avoiding a VAT ambiguity problem whenever common columns displaying also means yes, another technique is there. What is that one means? Very important, very easy only. Actually, this ambiguity error is occurred in a where Java, C++, .NET, these type of object-oriented languages also possible. How can I mean? Actually, maybe anybody, computer students are there, anybody object-oriented languages, they have an idea means maybe Java language you have an idea, or C++ you have an idea means always parameterizer constructor you have an idea or not. Whenever parameterizer constructor is there, whenever in a books we are observing means private member data is there. For example, in a books only in a constructor A and B and C they are giving only. Again, which was some of your parameters also same names, integer A, integer B, integer C, something they are giving only. Whenever in a where parameterizer construct in a body, they are writing others A is equal to A, B is equal to B, C is equal to C, they are writing only. Whenever we are submitting a what that parameterized constructor. Whenever a is equal to a, b is equal to b, c is equal to c is there, then compiler confusing only which a belongs to where, which parameter, which a belongs to where, which class only. So compiler confusing only. That's why in that case also ambiguity error is occurred. Yes, in those languages, how we are avoiding what ambiguity error means, just we are using what maybe computer students means they have an well-known persons in a software. Okay, so now here, yes, here Java developers or the C++ developer. This is a pointer is there or not? This dot a is equal to a, this dot b is equal to b, this dot c is equal to c. We are using means automatically avoiding what ambiguity error is there or not? Yeah, that's why in a JVM, yes, here otherwise C++ language side, this is a pointer is there. This dot a means that is returns what current class address. That another a is belongs to where, yes, parameter. That's why automatically ambiguity error avoided or not? That much of difficult in a where in a C++ and Java languages we are avoiding ambiguity this pointer, and VB.NET languages side me is a pointer is there. That's why different languages their different pointers and notations are there. Through that one we are avoiding what ambiguity error. But unfortunately in a databases very easy to avoid a what ambiguity error. How can I means just observe it here. This is common columns we are trying to display in a where select list. Ambiguity error is there. Why this error is occurred? Which table common column try to display means server is confusing only. That's why error. That's why how we are avoiding ambiguity means simple technique is there. Which table common column you want to display, that table name dot operator we are using enough. That table name dot operator. Suppose here emp table department number I want to display means how much is emp dot department number I am writing enough. emp dot department number I am writing only, then automatically, yes, automatically, and now check it out, automatically this will give us a correct output or not? Yes, here. Suppose DEPT table department number I want means just we are using a what in place of emp, just we are using a what DEPT dot. Both the things means emp dot department number comma DEPT dot department number we are using means automatically resolve the problem or not? Yes, here. That's why whenever we are trying to display common columns within a select list, then automatically our database server returns an ambiguity error. To overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, then we must specify table name along with common column name by using dot operator. That's what DEPT dot department number or yes emp dot department number, then automatically working or not? Yes, yeah. Write it some theory. Fastly write it, then solution I will tell you. Error you are writing or not? Yes, here theory write it. In all relational databases, write it fastly. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, in all relational databases, when we are trying to display, when we are trying to display in all relational databases, when we are trying to display common column, when we are trying to display common column in joins, when we are trying to display common column in joins, display, try to display common columns in joins, then database servers returns, then database servers returns ambiguity error. 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 To overcome this problem, write it fast. To overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, to overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, then we must specify, to overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, then we must specify table name, along with common column name, then we must specify table name along with common column name by using dot operator. Then we must specify table name along with common column name by using dot operator. To overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, then we must specify table name. Then we must specify table name along with common column name by using dot operator. By using dot operator. Syntax. In a future, tomorrow classes means alias name also possible. First, we are learning a subject. Write it syntax, table name, dot common column name. Syntax, write it. Table name dot common column name. If anybody not properly writing me, so just observe it here. I am telling again theory only. In all relational databases, when we are trying to display common column name in joins, then database servers returns ambiguity error. To overcome this problem, for avoiding ambiguity error, then we must specify table name along with common column name by using dot operator. Syntax, table name dot common column name. Finished? Syntax, write it. Table name dot common column name. Now this solution, write it. Anything, either DEPT or EMP dot. Solution, write it. Everyone underline DEPT dot or EMP dot, anything. Just I am writing DEPT dot. Why? Because some other concept is there. Write it. Solution. Select E name, comma salary, comma DEPT dot department number or EMP dot department number, anything. But better to write DEPT dot department number. Why? Because some concept is there. D name, comma location from EMP, comma DEPT, where EMP dot department number is equal to DEPT dot department number. Finished? Completed this one. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Now concentrate today up to 15 minutes again. Concentrate. Very, very important. Today up to end of the class. Very important. And now check it out. Concentrate. This is the most powerful. First day we are learning a what? Yes, here at least a key concept only. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose, okay, this is the way I am telling only. It is retrieving a what? Multiple location of table data. Now anybody in our class guess it only. Now by using a what? Equi-join, we are retrieving a what? Accurate data or not? Yes or no? Fast tell me. Yes, by using a equi-join in a where Oracle database, otherwise all database inner join we are using means, then we are retrieving a accurate data or not? Yes. Okay, yes or no? Fast tell me. Yes, so we are by using a what? Equi-join, we are retrieving a what? Accurate, more accurate data or not? Correct data, we are retrieving a data, correct data or not? Anybody guess it? Yes, very good. So many fellows are telling a what? Yes only, but yes is the wrong answer. We cannot retrieve accurate data. Some data is missing. Very, very important. In every database in the worldwide, inner joins we are using only, and equi joins we are using means some data is missing. Very important. Why data is missing? The data, how can I retrieve? That is a key concept, most powerful. Construction is not important, data is important in a joins. Most powerful concept. What is that one? Now concentrate, very important. Suppose you are observing or not, up to now construction we are concentrating. Up to 15 minutes concentrate today, just observe it here. Now observe it here, this is a table is there. Now onwards data set, observe it here. That's a predefined table. First I'm telling. This is a EMP table is there. And now check it out. In a EMP table, department number is a common column. Observe it here. Department number is a column. In this department number, yes, here, what is the common column is there? Department number. Data, observe it here. Data, what type of data is there? 10 is a what one number. Again, how many number of department numbers are there? Observe it here. 10 is a one type. Another one is what? 20 is a one type. Another one is what? 30 is there. Only 10, 20, 30 departments are there in EMP table. Now check it out. Yes, slowly observe it here. Select a star from is a DEPT is a table is there. Observe it here, DEPT table. In this DEPT table, how many types of department numbers are there? Here, very good. 10, 20, 30. Not only 10, 20, 30. Here you are observing or not, 40 also available. Observe it here. 40 also available. Observe here. DEPT table, why 40 is available means in a future next chapter, sorry, constant chapter, right, there is a primary key, don't worry. And now you're 10, 20, 30, 40 also available. Extra data is there. Now, but unfortunately in my project side, I want to display all the department numbers 10, 20, 30, 40 also I want to display. All the department numbers from DEPT table I want to display by using another columns means I am using a joins in a previous case. How can I select E name, comma salary? I want to display DEPT table all the department numbers means DEPT dot I am writing only. EMP table all the data means EMP dot. But DEPT table I want more the data is there 10, 20, 30, 40 also there. That's why DEPT dot department number I am writing only. Now comma D name comma location. Yes, I am writing only from EMP comma DEPT where here EMP dot DEPT number is equal to DEPT dot. Yes, here DEPT number I am writing. Whenever I am writing a what like this, automatically I am also here also guessing a what. Oh, maybe DEPT dot department number Murali sir writing only. That's why maybe DEPT table 10, 20, 30, 40 also displayed. We are thinking, but unfortunately 40 does not display. There is a problem. And now why? Because always equi joins retrieve matching rows only. Now here yes 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30 matching, 40 is not matching. That's why it does not display 40. Observe here. 10, 20, 30 is there. It does not display 40. Why? Because DEPT dot department number I'm using also, it does not display 40. Why? Because in every database inner joins or equi joins we are using means those joins returns a what? Matching rows only. Very important. Equi join always returns a what? Matching rows only. What is matching rows means? Now check it out. Why matching rows it will be written means interview question. That is I will tell you answer. First observe it here. Suppose here this is a department table. DEPT table is there. Department number. Again here EMP table is there. Yes, this is a what? Yes, department number column is there. Now check it out. Here data is there. For example, here 10 is there. Here also observe it here. Here also 10 is there. Here 20 is there. Here also 20 is there. And now here 30 is there. Here also 30 is there. But here 40 is there. But here 40 is not there. You are observing or not? Yes, here 40 is not there. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. 10 10 matching. This data it will retrieve. 20 20 matching. This data it will be retrieved. 30 30 matching. This data is retrieved. But unfortunately 40 here, yeah, data is matching, data is not there, null is there, this record is rejected. That's why always equi joins returns a what? Matching rows only. Non-matching rows it does not return. That is a drawback in a where in every database inner join, otherwise Oracle 8 I join. That's why here 10 equi join 8 10 20 30 only displayed, 40 does not display or not. Yes, here that's why now you are writing about theorem is now here yes here, then you are understandable. Write it. Write it some theory. In all relational data, sorry, always equi-joins, write it, write a note, write it. Always equi-joins returns, always equi-joins returns matching rows only. Always equi-joins returns matching rows only. Always equi-join returns matching rows only. Within the bracket, write it here. Okay, example side here. DPT number 40 does not display when we are using DPT dot department number also. This is write it. Within the bracket, write it like this. Always equi-join returns matching rows only. Here, department number example, department number 40 does not display when we are using DEPT dot department number also. Here, department number 40 does not display when we are using DEPT dot department number also. Common column same data type or not? Yes, here. Finished? And now check it out. Concentrate. Again 10 minutes concentrate. Very important today. End of the class, most powerful today. Why? Because it's joint execution we are telling. And now check it out. But unfortunately, anybody attending an interview, so many fellows are asking, do you have any idea why equi-joins returns matching rows only? Why it does not retrieve non-matching rows? Interviewer asking. So many fellows are not telling answers. Rejected. Interview is gone. Up to now, okay, that is what equi-join returns matching rows in every database. Inner join also returns matching rows. Why? Any reason is there? Now, yes, reason is there. That is the most powerful. Today we are learning that one. Why interviewer asking that one means, yes, so you are telling about that answer means then you are a good programmer. Why? Because joins, how it will be executed, you have an idea, then you never mistake and those type of things. And now here, check it out. I will tell you through that executions I'm telling through the non-equi-join I'm starting only. In that non-equi-join I'm taking today two tables, and through that one equi-join how it will be matching done, non-equi-join how it will be working, all joins how it will be working. I will tell you. Then easily understandable. Very very important. That's why last 10 minutes are very very important today class. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose in this case, previous case observed here. Now tell me anybody. Now here, yes, I am writing about this query only. DEPT dot department number I am writing only. In this case, DEPT dot department number means 10, 20, 30, 40. It will display. Otherwise, only 10, 20, 30 is displayed. Very good. 10, 20, 30 is displayed. It does not display non-matching rows. 40 does not display. Now I am asking one question. Anybody, computer students, tell me. Now I want to retrieve non-matching rows also. 40 also I want to retrieve means then we are using a which join we are using 40 also. In this example side, non-matching rows also I want to display. I want to retrieve 40 also, then we are using a which join. Yes, anybody guess it? Which join we are using? Another join we are using only. Non-matching rows 40 also I want to display means which join we are using. Very good. So many fellows are telling about a non-equi join. That is wrong answer. Always outer join we are using. That much of powerful. That's why subject is most powerful in every database also. That's why equi-join always returns a what matching rows. If you want to retrieve in every database, yes, here inner join returns a matching rows. If you want to retrieve non-matching rows, then we are using a what? Not a non-equi-join. Outer join. That is important. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. Outer join through only we are retrieving a what? Yes, here that a non-matching rows. But today, why equi-join returns? Yes, okay, matching rows only I will tell you. But how I am telling that concept means first today we are starting a what? A non-equi-join we are starting. Yes, through the non-equi join, very easy. Two tables I'm creating. through that one only. How okay, I'm asking some answers only. You are telling about some answers. No, okay, so now why so many fellows are telling that today answer is wrong side means I am not telling a joins execution up to now. Yes, joins execution I am telling means oh maybe that much of easy equi join. This is the reason side matching rows it will be written. Or maybe non-matching rows means like this something easily understandable only. Now write it fastly. Side heading non-equi join. Non-equi join. Non-equi join. Non-equi join. A non-equi join. What is non-equi join means? Observe it here. Actually, other than is equal to operator. Okay, equi join means is equal to operator. Other than is equal to operator. We are writing either not equal to, less than, either less than or equal to, either greater than or equal to, either between. These operators we are using means through that one only we are retrieving a data from multiple tables. We are retrieving a data from multiple tables only. Other than equality operator, that based only we are retrieving a data from multiple tables is called non-equi join. Write it, non-equi join. Write it some theory. 10 minutes concentrate, very important. Based on other than equality operator, based on other than equality operator, based on other than equality operator, within the bracket, less than or equal to, comma, greater than, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, not equal to, comma, between. Bracket close. Based on other than equality operator, within the bracket, these operators write it. We are retrieving data from, based on other than equality operator, within the bracket, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, between, close the brackets. We are retrieving data from multiple tables. We are retrieving data from multiple tables. Retrieving data from multiple tables. Multiple tables. Now concentrate here. Everyone concentrate. Last 10 minutes only. Very, very, very important. Observe here. Yes, non-equi join means nothing is there other than is equal to operator. We are using what happened. Observe it here. Concentrate. They are not giving a syntax also. I'm writing all the things. Now check it out. Concentrate. Today I'm showing a practically. Now here, yes, here through that one only. All the things you are understandable. All joins execution you are understandable. Now here, now concentrate. Concentrate here. Suppose. Don't write it anything. Now 5 minutes concentrate or 10 minutes concentrate. Everyone understandable. All the concepts in a joins. Equi join, non-equi join, okay, self, okay, in a future self join. Otherwise, we are using a what? Yes, here today now cross join. How it will be executed? All the things you are understandable. And now check it out. Concentrate here. These are the two tables I am creating first. Okay, fine. Don't write it. Observe here. Very interesting. Create a table. Table name test1. I am creating a what? One table. Okay, fine. Just I am creating a what? Two tables. Okay, fine. Test one is a table, S number or department number I am creating. Better. And now number is a data type. Concentrate here. Now I'm inserting a data. Don't write it today. Just observe it here. Insert into test one values like this. Here I am writing a what? Ampersand department number like this. Now I am taking a 10. I am taking a what? A 20 like this only. For example, and now here, yes, here. 10, 20, I am writing a what? Some data, for example, and now here. Here, this is a table is there. Select star from here, table test one. Again, I am taking a what? Another table. Here, create. Now here, yes, here. Create table, another table, test two, I am creating. Slowly observe here. Same column I am using in a feature, different column also. First time, same column only. And now here like this. Now I try to insert the data, insert into table name, here test2, here values like this. Here I am writing a what? Here department number is a column like this. Now 10 I am taking, very good. And now 20 I am taking, yes. Again 30 also I am taking extra data. Now I am committing the transactions. Slowly observe here. Just two tables are there. Concentrate here. Select a star from here. Test one is a table. Again here another table is there. Select a star from here. Test two is a table is there. Two tables are there. Now observe here. Concentrate. Very interesting. Suppose, okay, 1 minute observe here, test 1 is a what, 10, 20 is there, test 2 is a what, 10, 20, 30 is there, okay, fine. Now I am writing a what? Equijoin first. Equijoin means already have an idea. Yes, here I am writing a what? Equijoin means select a star also possible. Possible. Whenever star means there is no ambiguity error, all columns are displayed. Select a star from here. Test 1 I am writing only, comma, test 2 I am writing. Yes, here equijoin I am writing first. Where? Yes, test 1 dot here department number is equal to test 2 dot department number I am writing. Whenever I am writing a what, that is equal to operator, this equijoin, what the output? What the output means very easy. Star means all the columns only. But here 10, 10 and 20, 20 is displayed or not? Yes, why? Because matching rows. This is everyone knows. You don't know, I don't know the execution also. Everyone telling a correct answer. 10, 10 and 20, 20. And now here check it out. Yes, very good. 10, 10, 20, 20. Because 10, 10, 20, 20 matching or not? Yes, here, yes. 10, 10, 20, 20 matching rows are displayed. How it is displayed today, we are understandable. Observe here. Now concentrate here. Now I am writing a what? I am writing a what? Some other operator. Today you are only telling a what? That answer only. Anybody telling in our class? Great. Now observe here. Now I am converting this join into where non-equijoin. Non-equijoin means yes, in place of is equal to less than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, or greater than, anything also I am writing only. Now anybody tell me in our class only what is the output? What is the output fast? Yes, very easy only. What is the output fast? Here 10, 20 is there in a where you have first T1 table. Here 10, 20, 30 is there. Yes, here. Now greater than operator I am using only. There is a non-equijoin. Now what is the output? Tell me fast. Anybody guessing means in our class? Great. What is the output? Yes, very good. Yes, so many fellows are telling what? 30. 30 is the wrong answer. Very good. 30 is the wrong answer. And now tell me, anybody, again, observe it here. Yes, tell me. Yes, some fellows are telling what? Yes, here 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30 is the wrong answer. Yes, next. Again, yes, so some fellow is telling what? No row selected. Okay, no row selected means you are not selected in the interview. And now here, yes, not a problem. Now tell me fast. Yes, some fellows are telling what? 10, 10, 20, 20. Very good. Now 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30 is not output. Yes, our last chance only. Now tell me anybody in our class. Yes, so many fellows are. Yes, so viewing what? So now here cricket matches, IPL matches only. That's why some fellows are telling what? 2020. Very good. 2020 is a wrong answer. That is matches only. 2020 also, cricket 2020 also, wrong answer. Now tell me. Now anybody? Yes, very good. So many fellows are in our class only telling what? A wrong answer. Wrong answer they are telling. Why? Error they are telling. Error also wrong answer. Why they are telling in our class? So many fellows are means reason is there. You don't know execution. Up to now, I am not telling execution. That's why you are telling some fellows are telling what at 2020 cricket matches. Some fellows are telling a no row selected. Some fellows are telling 10, 20, 30. Only one fellow is telling what correct answer. Very good. I am not telling up to now. Yes, here all the persons are telling what wrong answers. Why means you don't know, I don't know execution. That is a problem. That's why joins means execution is important. Once you are good at what execution, then you never mistaken. What the execution means? Now I am telling. Whenever I am telling about execution, that execution based only equi-joins returns matching rows also you are understandable. Cross-join execution also understandable. All the joins execution also understandable. This join output also you are telling that much of powerful and also very easy only. And now here observe here how joins are executed means concentrate. Very easy. Observe here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now this is a table is there. And now here, yes, concentrate. Very interesting. Now every database joins, any joins also. Suppose here, yes, department number is a column. This is a test one table. Here, yes, observe here. What are the values are there? Concentrate. 5 minutes concentrate. Everyone understandable all the things. 10, 20 only. Again here, yes, this is a what? Another table is there. Test 2 table. This is a what? A department number column is there. In this case only, yes, here 10, 20, 30 is available. Observe here 10, 20, 30 is there. 10 and 20 and 30 is there. Concentrate here. Concentrate. How the joins are executed means, observe here. First control goes to tables from class, then control goes to where clause only, where clause, okay, join condition left hand side test one table is there. This is a test one table, okay, fine. This one value it will be taking, in a test one table. That value compare with all other values in a where another table, all other values. Again, test one table, another column, another value it will be taking. This value compared with all other values in another table in a join. Again, test one table, another value it will be taking. This value compared with all other values in a where, yes, another table in a where by using a what? This operator only. That's why simple. In a database join also how it will be executed. Yes, left hand side one table, one value it will be taking. That value compared with all other values in all other values in another table by using the operator. Here greater than means greater than, less than means less than. Now check it out. Now tell me anybody test one table, department number, which one? Yes, very good. Yes, department number 10 is there. Now tell me greater than operator. 10 is greater than 10. Yes, 10 is greater than 10. True or false? No, not matching. 10 is greater than 10. Not true. Yes, here again. 10 is greater than 20. 10 is greater than 20. No. Yes, here no. Again, 10 is greater than 30. No. Yes, here these three are wrong. Now again. Second value. What is the second value? 20. 20 is greater than 10. Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Correct. Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Greater than operator or not? Yes, here. Again, 20 is greater than 20. No, not matching. Okay, not true. 20 is not greater than 20. Again, 20 is greater than 30. No, 20 is not greater than 30. That's why what is the output? 20 and 10. What is the output? Very easy. Observe here. Yes, left hand side table, one value it will be taking. That is compared with the what? All other values in a right hand side table. Again, left hand side table, another value it will be taking. That value compared with the what? All other values in a where another table. Suppose left hand side test one, department number it will be taking. 10 is greater than 10. No, not true. 10 is greater than 20. Not true. 10 is greater than 30. Not true. Yes, finished. Again, 20. 20 is greater than 10. Yes, correct. 20 is greater than 10. True only. That's why it is retrieved. Yes, here 20 is greater than 20. No, not true. 20 is greater than 30. Not true. That's why what they get? Because I am using a greater than operator not. That's why 20 and 10. Some fellow is telling a what? Correct answer. Very good. Yes, here 20 and 10 is a correct answer. Now observe here. 20 under 10, how much easy. That's why joins execution you must familiar. 20 10 only. Suppose equi-join I'm using only. Equi-join means observe here why matching rows entry you're asking means do you have any idea why matching rows are returns means just simple. Just observe here I am writing a what 20 now is equal to operator we are using. Is equal to operator means 10 10 20 20. How 10 10 20 20 means very easy. Here 10 is there, here 20 is there, here 10 20 and 30 is there in a second table. Now tell me how it will be executed. Yes, here 10 is equal to 10. True. Very good. 10 is equal to 20. Not true. Again 10 is equal to 30. Not true. Again 20 is equal to 10. not true. Again 20 is equal to 20, true. Again 20 is equal to 30, not true. That's why 10 10 and 20 20. How much easy? That's why anybody intro asking about why matching rows only return in a way equivalent means is equal to means match easy is equal to means same data it will be returned simple. 10 10 20 20 is matching. How much easy? Suppose in a today I am telling about one of the stage before we are starting a joins cross join. I am telling only cross join means without operators also. Yes, so what the output now suppose 10 20 30 is there. Here 10 20 is there. Cross join means tell me. Yes, very good. 10 10 again which one? 10 20 again which one? 10 30 again 20 10 again 20 20 again 20 30. Very easy or not? That's why 14 into 4 56 rows how it will be displayed. Same like this one only. That's why join execution based. Understood or not? Yes, joins are very easy only. Easy only. That's why yes, anybody sleeping also in our class they are understandable very easy. That much of easy or not? 10 10 20 20 30 30 like this only. That's why left hand side one value compared with all other values in another table, then automatically it will be retrieved or not? Yes, here like this only. That's why always yes, whenever anybody interviewer asking about whenever we are using the equijoin, why equijoins returns our matching rows means is equal to operator based only returns what matching rows. Simple. Is equal to means same. 10 10 is same, 10 20 is not same, 10 30 is not same, 20 10 is not same, 20 20 is same, 20 30 is not same. That's why 10 10 20 20 it will display. Very easy. That's why how much easy? That's why joins execution you already means all the things very easy or not? Left hand side one value compared with all other values in a where right hand side table by using the operator. Understood? Everyone understood or not? Yes, here. But okay, so much of time we are spending on now here. That's why these examples and practically and join alias names and also yes, these all the things we are telling about tomorrow we are telling about join queries and all these things. Very important big concept is there. Yes, tomorrow we'll continue remaining.